8 litres, 4 turbochargers, 16 cylinders. I'm Keegan from Robb Report Malaysia, and this is the Bugatti Chiron. The Chiron effortlessly blends incredible beauty with sleek, muscular efficiency, a spectacular reinterpretation of the Bugatti design DNA. The distinctive quad LED headlights double as intakes, an alluring fusion of functionality and aesthetics. The cockpit layout of the Chiron gives the driver all the necessary information within his field of vision. The Chiron sprints from a standstill to 100 km an hour in just 2.4 seconds, and it tops out at 261 miles per hour. This fascination for performance-oriented design continues in the interior, enhanced by an exquisite sense of comfort. The Chiron is the most powerful, fastest and exclusive production super sports car in Bugatti's brand history.